So today we're gonna be doing like, what do you call those things? This is my ATO luxury apartment tour. This is where you come into my apartment and we got one of these little door code things. This is just like my entrance. I really try to make my entrance more fun. So I play Animal Crossing a lot. I haven't played it recently. My villagers are definitely dead. I need to check on them. I haven't played Animal Crossing in like 5 months. KK Slider. This is like my jacket closet and I love this area. Like I just keep this door open because it brings so much color into the apartment. This little area right here is where I usually keep like just random stuff like my technology, my camera stuff, my Glade scents. Y'all make sure y'all go get y'all some Glade scent. Y'all need these. I'm gonna have most things that are in my apartment linked down below. So if y'all wanna check it out, just check it out. Like I've been really trying to get into this eclectic look and have these eclectic items that I collect over time. So this is my hat from VidCon. This is a hat that we actually stole at this place called Havana. This hat is my first, what do you call this? I don't know. The guys was like, you just gotta get one, bro. So yeah, this is my first uncle hat. Cause you know this is where I wash my ass, brush my teeth, which I definitely need to brush my teeth right now because I just got out of bed to film this. I was just like, I don't care how my house looks right now, I'm just gonna film it. Like people be having these luxury apartments and feel like they gotta be perfect every time you film, but it's the weekend now and it's not clean anymore. We got a sink, we got cabinets. I just used this like 3 seconds ago before I turned the camera around. A tub. Now, I don't know if the echo is following me, but it definitely is. But this basket is my prized possession. So like, I need a basket in my shower to put all my stuff in because it's just gonna make it look way neater, better. This is like doing it for you. Like, I hope this is doing it for you that you're like, I want a luxury apartment. I mean, you don't have to. It's not really luxury, but I don't want to make this tour make you feel like, damn, I don't have that, so I'm not living a life. No, this is my closet. I hate this closet so much because it only slides. Like, it slides. Like, I hate it. Like, I can't look at everything all at once. So this right here is another prized area of mine. I drew all of these in college. This was a piece called Grandma. No, this is Grandpa. Grandma's over there. It's the progression of cancer on the heart over time until it dies and gets eaten by cancer. That was trauma and I'm laughing. You have to laugh to get over trauma. This is my kitchen. It's a gallery style kitchen. I mean, it's like, where else can they put a kitchen? You know, like I wish I had one of those island thing. This is my sink. It's full of dishes right now. So yeah, I remember in this apartment my sink broke. Like this broke and came all the way off. So then I got them to come fix it and now the bowl of my sink moves. I hate this stove. It's hard as hell to clean the top of it and you have to clean it like every day. This area is my pride and joy. This, my plant, my little alcohol section. Look at that, like that looks so amazing. My sister got me this for Christmas because she knew like, okay, he just graduated college, he drinks, so let me get him like a little bar mixology set. This is my Trader Joe's plant that my friend got me when she came. I love this corner of my house. Like it's so peaceful and calming and everybody needs a corner like this in their house. This is my living room. There's nothing special about it. I mean, yeah, I got floor-to-ceiling windows and everybody likes to go crazy over floor-to-ceiling windows, but they're just windows that go out and see the city. But this is where I do everything. I make content here. This is where the Reddit video took place, and this is where my most famous video took place that you guys were going crazy over. And I was just sitting at home like, oh my God, people are watching this. It's stuff everywhere. It doesn't look like, you know how the girls be getting the luxury apartments and then the girls all get that one couch that is an L shape. And I was just like, nah, like let's just get something. I was about to fall. let's just get something that looks comforting and comfortable. And I just drew this green on here with some pillows, and I love this. This is my TV area. I've got my iPad and my Switch for games. I got all my books back there. Y'all know I got a P5 that I do not play. I don't play my PlayStation 5 at all. But this is my painting called Grandma. And it's actually charcoal and ink. I hope this humanized luxury apartments for you, because I have friends that are very envious of people that live in luxury apartments due to the fact that they feel like this lifestyle is unobtainable. But honestly, guys, I'm just living my life. I'm just enduring the blessings that God gave me. I don't know. I don't want to get into an era where you guys feel like, oh, he's stuck up, he's snobby because he lives in a luxury apartment. Like, no, I'm trying to move the hell up out of here, actually. Like, when I move to DC, I'm trying to get something regular. I don't know if that's what you call them, but it's not going to be luxury. I'm not doing this again. But thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you have any more videos that you want to see, comment them down below. Like, I'm willing to do anything and be a part of this journey with me. Thank you.